We've been anticipating this one for a while, so we're going to be doing the coast of Cornwall. So the itinerary is we're going to be driving down to Minehead today, which is about a 5-hour drive, so we're going to stop off for an hour at some point, so about 9 o'clock, we should be there by about 3. One night there on the coast, then we start on our main journey tomorrow, which starts at Woolacombe. So we stay 3 nights at Woolacombe, then we're off to Tintagel, then we go to Padstow. Then from Padstow we go on to St Ives, and then from St Ives it's on to Land's End for a couple of nights, and then we finish off at Lizard Point and back home. So that's the itinerary. Yeah, so it's the first time we've been away for nearly 3 weeks in the van, isn't it? It's usually just 3. Just a couple of nights we've been doing so far. So it's been interesting packing up. It's been hectic packing actually, isn't it? Yes. We thought it was going to be really easy and quick, so we started a couple of days ago thinking, no, I'll have it all done. And it's taken us till this morning. Yeah, it does make a difference going for a longer period, doesn't it? For sure. So yeah, let's get moving. Okay. Somebody's tired after the journey. Look.
We're both tired.
We're going to what we're going to do, babe? We're going to wait till tea time. It's 3:30 now. We're going to wait till tea time and then have a walk into Minehead. 15-minute walk. Give the dogs a walk. Get something to eat and have a nice walk along the harbour, along the seafront back, eh?
We just want a very chilled out day today.
Yeah.
Chill out before all the fun starts.
Right, Dave. What did you think of your meal?
Well, the place is called the Hairy Dog, and there's probably a clue in the name. You definitely want to miss.
Dear.
At least the pint's good.
Yeah.
So this is our typical van setup in the morning. Bed's up, out of the way. Beck's in the bathroom. It's all a little bit cramped really, but we like it. Nellie's in Daisy's bed, and Daisy has taken to lying behind the seat, haven't you? You like it? That little quiet area, don't you? So we'll get packed up, fasten everything down, then we'll go and have a look at Minehead, and then we'll tootle on to Woolacombe a little bit later in the morning. Now this is one of the big benefits of having a van. You can brew up while you're on the beach. Tea, coffee. There you
you go, sweetie.
What's that?
Tea.
Oh,
How ungrateful.
I don't think a tea bag's been in there, is it?
Well, we have to then, babe.
Woolacombe, Damaged Barton, caravan and camping site.
What's that then?
1 hour and 9 minutes from here.
Right. You ready?
Yeah, back out the way we came.
That was a pleasant little stop, wasn't it?
That was lovely, yeah.
Ask them for the best pitch they've got,
Ever.
please.
The best pitch
Yeah.
ever.
This is awesome.
This is very nice, isn't it?
This is absolutely incredible. Just look at the views there. She's just said that we've got the best pitch, didn't she? She
Well,
said,
one
"How
of the
have you-"
best.
She
This
said,
is
how
the-
have you managed that?
Yeah. We must have asked when we phoned up. But this row obviously is the one that looks out.
Just look at that.
But they're all nice. They're all very nice.
Unfortunately, we've only booked 2 nights here.
Is that right? Let me check. Where are we? Woolacombe. 2 nights, yeah.
2 nights.
And then we're on to
Tintagel.
if that's how you say it.
Right, let's get
This has
set
its
up.
own water on it, which is nice. No waste, but you've got water. I think that's a standard, possibly.
Let's get set up.
it wasn't on. Really?
Hello, darling.
What are we having?
We are having barbecue chicken fajitas.
Very nice. One of my favourites. I can smell barbecue in the air. I think lots of people are. Somebody's barbecuing over there. On the Caddock, is it?
On the Caddock. Get everything cooking in a second or two. And then food will be served in about half an hour.
Ooh, very posh.
Yep. Oh yes. Oh, that looks amazing.
It does. This one's yours.
Yeah. Thank you very much, darling.
There's your plate.
Well, you really can't beat the views. We've just left the campsite, wandering over to Bull Point Lighthouse, then we're going to wander to Mort Point, and then we're going to follow this coastal route that you can see here down to the beach, around the headland there, and then on to Mort Village, is it?
Mortehoe, I think it is.
So
where we shall get our first Devonshire cream tea. We just hope the dogs don't die on the way because it's pretty warm. We've got lots of waterfalls in there.
yeah, I think we'll be okay. You can do a much longer route, which is about 4 or 5 miles, but everyone's saying it's a Devon 4 or 5 miles, so it's more like 8. It's up and down, and we thought, no, not today.
Well, the lady who was telling us about us took one look at Nellie and thought she would struggle, didn't she?
Yeah, I don't know whether it was Nelly or me. But anyway, this is what we're doing. Wow. Right.
You can see the doggies. Look at that. This place is called Shipper Ground, isn't it?
And you get what?
After a nice coastal walk.
It's come out of the fridge then.
Is it solid?
Yeah, you might want to stick it on here.
Okay. Very nice.
We've just enjoyed a little cream tea, haven't we, and a bit of lunch.
Yeah, there.
At the end of our walk. Really nice little pub. The Ship Ground. Only a small little village here. Mortehoe. Certainly worth popping in and having a look. So we're heading back to the van now. We just got back in time. We just walked through the door and the heavens opened, didn't they, babe?
Yes, perfect timing.
So now I'm going to spend a little bit of time on the laptop just downloading some of the videos and trying to put a video together of our first bit of the Cornwall adventure.
Yeah, it's been very good so far, hasn't it?
It has, amazing.
Feed these very hungry dogs.
So that's the first leg of our journey over. We've travelled from Cheshire all the way to Somerset. We stayed a night in Somerset. Now we moved on to Devon, Woolacombe. This place is Damage Barton. What a lovely start to the holiday. It's been really chilled out. We've made some lovely memories. We've walked along the coastal route yesterday, which was fabulous. We stopped in one of the local pubs for a meal, which was great. You got your cream tea, didn't you?
Yeah.
What else have you liked?
I think we particularly like the site here. This is a lot about the site. This is a site you don't want to stray off too much, is it? Because you've got brilliant views of the sea and lovely sunsets.
The whole site is on a slope, so wherever you are, it's all sort of tiered. You get a beautiful view of the sea, don't you?
Yeah, I really think you could be anywhere on any of the roads. I just wouldn't probably pick the two sides. I don't think they're quite as good for views, but any of the rows, even right at the back. And then you're not crammed in, there's large spaces in between each of you. It's a working farm, so I think they've done a really good job that they haven't just crammed as many people in as possible. That's really nice.
Yeah.
And be a bit windy, because you're right on the coast.
Yeah, we were getting buffeted last night.
You wouldn't want to leave your awning up, would you?
No, you certainly wouldn't.
We did have the awning up, but
And if you do camp here, you definitely want the straps to tie the awning down.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're moving on to Cornwall now. So we're going into Tintagel, which is about a 60-mile drive, about an hour and a half. Coastal route. We're going to be passing Bude. It's not a place that we plan to stop, but you never know when we get there. We might just have half an hour. Nice little coastal village. So we're all set. We're packed up. It's about 20 to 9. So I think we should make a move.
Yeah, because I think it's first come, first serve on the Tintagel site.
Well, that's it. Better go.
Yeah.